What's up, guys? I just wanted to show you the most recent 5th gen 4Runner front bumper that I just finished and installed. First, I'm going to show you how this is installed. So after removing the front bumper and the core support behind the front bumper, we're left with this mount right here. We're left with one mounting point right here and two more bolts on the other side. And here is the rest of the bumper. This bumper is completely held up right now by the 3 bolts that are over here on this frame mount, as well as the other 3 bolts, and that's really all it needs. All that's really left to do on this bumper is install the skid plate right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. And that's really it for this bumper. I really fucking love how this thing turned out. I didn't know how to feel really about smaller bumpers like this, especially on such big beefy vehicles. This turned out really good. I think if I had a 5th gen 4Runner, that this setup for the front would be what I would do as well. I guess it would be kind of overkill to do the entire front of everything here. So this is a really, really nice alternative for an entire front bumper. And this thing fits so well too. You really don't have to do too much to the 4Runner in order to pull off this kind of bumper. If you are following the social media pages, you will have seen this already. I at least wanted to put something out there so that you guys could get a nice look at it. Nice close-up looks. I can't get over how well this thing turned out. The tubing fits it perfectly. The D-rings, just like the cherry on top. And I know I'm repeating myself at this point, but I really like how this turned out. Another really cool thing that we're adding to this 4Runner are rock sliders. Now, these rock sliders are not made of DOM tubing, which is what you should be using for rock sliders. But as per request, I built these to make it a little bit easier to get into the 4Runner. So we've got quite a bit of width there coming out of the 4Runner, enough to be able to step on there comfortably, as well as the rear here. There's more than enough room there to be able to step up on it and get up into the 4Runner. Here's a couple of good shots there. You can see just how much it sticks out, enough to be able to get in without a problem. And of course, these are welded to the frame itself as well. So I've just got this side done for now. Currently working on finishing up this side here, and then we will have a completed 4Runner. Thank you for joining me today and watching me talk about this super cool new 5th gen 4Runner front bumper. I know I said it in the video already, but this thing is turning out so fucking awesome. This bumper plus the rock sliders, once it's complete, is gonna look just absolutely perfect. If you are following the social media pages, which if you are not, you absolutely should, you will already have seen this in progress and possibly completed. So make sure you're following the pages, because I post a lot of in progress pictures, videos, and stories. If I can't ever shoot an entire 2-part, 3-part video series on a bumper or vehicle, I always post pictures and I always post a story so you guys can see the progress of how it's built. But to wrap this up, thank you guys again so much for watching these videos, subscribing to the YouTube channel, and following all the social media pages. You guys fucking rock. I will see you in the next video. What are you still doing here? I really like this bumper.